So we know that there are 4 basic elements every successful trader must control, which are good trading system, proper money management method, understanding the assets you trade on, and developing the right psychological approach. Unfortunately, the last one is underestimated. There are so many courses online and all kind of available information, and yet most of them do not stress enough the importance of the psychological aspect. So let me tell you now and very clearly, developing the right psychological approach is not less than critical. This is a key to your success and what many times distinguishes between profitable traders and losers. And in this section, we will focus on it. When you trade, you can open positions based on economic news, technical analysis, intuition, or maybe even inside information. But either way, certain feelings come while you're doing that. It can be excitement and hope, and it can be fear and even anger. The point is that if you are a human being, which I believe you are because you took this course, there will be always some feelings when you trade. And just like you, there are many other traders who feel certain feelings which eventually turn into actions that drive the markets up and down. Once you realize this, you can see the bigger picture clearer. You better understand markets behavior, which is influenced by mass psychology. The next lessons, and also some in the next chapters, deal in different aspects of psychology, the mass psychology and how it is reflected in market fluctuations, and more importantly, how you, once mastering your own psychology, can take advantage of it and make profits. Then we will get to the technical analysis section, where you'll realize why charts are such effective tools of exposing people's behavior and what are the psychological patterns behind it. Once you understand how people's feelings change in different market conditions, you can better anticipate future price movements and, of course, get rewarded.